Unleashing creativity and capturing the hearts of both young and old, the world of 3D toys has become a booming industry. With the advancement of technology, specifically the accessibility of 3D printers, starting your own 3D toy business has never been more feasible. Gone are the days when traditional manufacturing processes were the only option for bringing toys to life. Now, you have the power to create custom-designed toys with just a few clicks and the whir of a 3D printer. In this comprehensive video, we will unravel the secrets to starting your very own 3D toy business using a 3D printer. We will explore the steps, strategies, and resources needed to turn your passion for toys into a profitable venture, whether you're a hobbyist looking to monetize your creations or an entrepreneur with a vision. So, if you've ever dreamt of seeing your unique toy designs in the hands of delighted children or collectors around the world, it's time to bring that dream to life. Let's dive into the fascinating world of 3D printing and uncover the secrets to launching your 3D toy business. Traditional toy manufacturing processes often involve expensive molds, lengthy production timelines, and limited design possibilities. However, with the advent of 3D printing technology, these barriers have been shattered, opening up a whole new realm of possibilities for aspiring toy entrepreneurs. With a 3D printer, you can create intricate prototypes, refine your designs, and even produce small batches of toys for testing the market demand. Before you embark on your 3D toy business journey, it's crucial to build a solid foundation of knowledge and skills. While 3D printing technology has become more accessible and user-friendly over the years, there is still a learning curve involved. To ensure your success, take the time to familiarize yourself with the fundamentals of 3D printing and toy design. Start by researching different types of 3D printers available on the market. Consider factors such as print quality, reliability, ease of use, and affordability. There are numerous options, ranging from entry-level consumer-grade printers to professional-grade machines capable of producing highly intricate designs. By understanding the capabilities and limitations of each printer, you can make an informed decision based on your specific needs and budget. Next, explore various 3D modeling software options. These programs allow you to create and manipulate 3D objects, turning your ideas into digital designs ready for printing. Experiment with different software until you find one that suits your design style and proficiency level. To enhance your skills and gain valuable insights, consider enrolling in online courses or attending workshops focused on 3D printing and toy design. These educational resources can provide you with a structured learning path, hands-on projects, and guidance from experienced instructors. Embrace the opportunity to learn from the experts and fellow enthusiasts, allowing your creativity to flourish and your skills to elevate. Now that your toys are ready for the spotlight, it's time to build a brand and market your creations. Develop a memorable logo, create a cohesive visual identity, and craft a compelling brand story. Leverage social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to showcase your designs and connect with potential customers. Engage with your audience by sharing behind-the-scenes glimpses of your creative process and seeking input on future designs. Consider collaborating with influencers or other businesses to expand your reach. The key is to create a buzz around your brand and make your 3D toys a must-have for toy enthusiasts. With a solid foundation in place, it's time to bring your 3D toys to market. Explore different sales channels, from establishing an online store to partnering with local retailers. Platforms like Etsy, Amazon, or Shopify provide convenient options for selling handmade and unique products. As your 3D toy business gains momentum, scalability becomes a crucial consideration. Evaluate your production capacity, workflow, and demand to identify opportunities for growth. This may involve upgrading to more advanced 3D printers, hiring additional staff, or exploring partnerships with manufacturers for larger production runs. Diversify your product offerings based on market trends and customer feedback. Introduce limited edition releases or themed collections to keep your brand fresh and exciting. The key to sustainable growth is adaptability and a keen understanding of your market. When it comes to starting your 3D toy business, there are a lot of toys that can enhance your business and keep your customers interested. We will explain some business-friendly toys that will keep your business at new heights. Here are some effective strategies to consider for your 3D toy business. 1. Customizable 3D toy action figures. Explore a world of imagination with customizable 3D toy action figures. These figures, tailored for your 3D toy business, feature fully articulated limbs, expressive facial features, and a plethora of accessories, empowering children to bring their superheroes or characters to life. This unique blend of play and artistic expression fosters a world where creativity knows no bounds. 2. Innovative 3D robot building kits. Ignite curiosity and innovation with 3D printed robot building kits crafted exclusively for your 3D toy business. These kits offer programmable components, modular designs, and limitless opportunities for customization. Beyond mere playtime entertainment, they serve as a captivating gateway to the intriguing realm of basic robotics, fostering problem-solving skills and nurturing critical thinking abilities. 3. Enchanting 3D fantasy creatures. Transport young minds into a world of boundless imagination with exquisitely crafted 3D printed fantasy creatures exclusively designed for your 3D toy business. From legendary dragons to enchanted beings, these creations ignite imaginative play and serve as captivating gateways to diverse mythologies, transforming learning into an enchanting adventure. 4. Interactive 3D board games. Elevate classic board games with interactive 3D board games exclusively tailored for your 3D toy business. Featuring customizable pieces, intricate details, and seamless integration with existing games, immerse yourself in a personalized and visually captivating experience. Make each game night truly unforgettable with these innovative additions. 5. Creative 3D toy cars and trucks. Embark on an adventure with 3D printed toy vehicles, customizable to your heart's content and tailored for your 3D toy business. With intricate detailing and assembly options, these creations serve as a blank canvas for children to unleash their creativity and build their unique fleet of cars and trucks, promoting imaginative play and fostering design skills. 6. Futuristic 3D miniature drones. Introduce yourself to the world of aerodynamics and programming with innovative 3D printed miniature drones designed exclusively for your 3D toy business. Offering customizable assembly options, these drones seamlessly integrate essential electronics, providing both an educational and entertaining experience. 7. Engaging 3D marble run sets. Enjoy the perfect blend of fun and problem solving with intricate 3D printed marble run sets exclusively crafted for your 3D toy business. With designs that offer endless configurations, these sets ignite young minds, fostering critical thinking skills and delivering a personalized marble run experience that evolves with each play session. 8. Cosmic 3D space-themed toys. Embark on an extraordinary cosmic journey with lifelike 3D printed rockets, satellites, and space-inspired creations specially designed for your 3D toy business. With customizable colors and impeccable designs, these toys ignite curiosity for space exploration and boundless intergalactic adventures, transforming playtime into an unparalleled out-of-this-world experience. With these 3D printed toy options, you can create a diverse and captivating collection for your 3D toy business. From enhancing playtime experiences to promoting valuable skills, these toys are sure to keep your customers coming back for more. So here's how you can start your 3D toy business successfully and keep it thriving. Many intricate components work together to make a successful 3D toy business. Hope you have found this video to be informative and interesting. If you do, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such content. So, the next time you're thinking about promoting your business, don't forget to consider the power of 3D printing and its endless possibilities in the toy industry.